Welcome back to Rad Reviews Bite Size. This is Danny.
And that's Ricky.
April 12th, 2021. The UK's pubs and bars are all open again. But forget all that. Today we'll go down in history because Space Raiders have brought out their potato shapes.
Wow.
We've just flew by this gaseous nebula here to fetch them from source.
Typical Monday night.
Let's get them cooked and get them rated.
Thumbs at the ready, it's Rad Reviews.
So here we are. They're all cooked.
Just to give you a bit of context, these started off really as a KP corn snack, which was introduced in 1987.
I'm just going to reacquaint ourselves with this. Now, do you have any nostalgia for these, Danny?
Not really, mate, no.
I remember these from school dinners, you know, when you take your lunch to school. This was the kind of thing that would always be in my pack. The size that I remember as well, very small packets.
Yeah, I think being older, these were in 1987, so I was already 13, 14, so I wouldn't have had them.
What I find curious about these is that the beef ones, Danny, are the lighter coloured products. I would have thought the other way around.
Yeah, the pickled onion ones are a lot darker, which is a bit of a curveball there, isn't it?
Now I've reacquainted my mouth with the pickled onion, I think I'm going to try the pickled onion first.
Yeah.
So, pickled onion, Space Raider potato snacks.
What do you reckon, mate? Out of this world or?
Common space detritus. I think, you know what? I think they're pretty good. I think that they have an onion taste. It's not bona fide pickled onion.
It's not as sharp as the actual crisp that we had a minute ago, is
Correct.
it?
No.
But
They've done a good job.
if you're eating loads of them, you probably wouldn't want that, would you?
I think they taste it. I do think they're good. They're soft, fluffy potato inside. They definitely stand up to the smiley faces or...
It's a really good novelty product.
It is.
I'd say for younger people or people that have got a bit of nostalgia about them.
That's it. I think it's one of those things that might be a bit tricky for them because the nostalgia is only going to come from people of my age.
Maybe youngsters eat Space Raiders still.
Maybe they do. Let us
knows?
know. Moving on to the beef flavour.
Oh.
They've nailed that flavour.
Yeah.
They have nailed it. That's amazing.
A supernova of beef flavour going off in your mouth.
That's delicious. Again, nice and fluffy with a nice crunchy coating. I think they've done a good job.
Bit of mayonnaise. Oh.
Yeah. Obviously, for the purposes of this test, we've decided to eat them completely naked.
They're naked, we're not obviously.
Yeah, that would be weird. Pickled onion, Space Raiders, potato shapes in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm really sorry. Just because the flavour wasn't quite there for me. And I think it would get to a point where it's too much of a novelty to be a food item rather than a snack.
I do agree. It was close for me and I was thinking along the same lines. Is there enough flavour in those to make them comparable with the original product?
Yeah.
Probably not.
And for the beef flavour, Space Raider potato shape in 3, 2, 1. Clear all over it.
Clear winner.
Straight out of the park.
Out of the galaxy, mate.
A delicious product. I think that these will go down a tree. A beautiful tasting snack.
Yes. Thank you very much for joining us on this intergalactic journey on a standard Monday night.
It's been great.
Thanks for the subscriptions and the likes.
We appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.
Bye.
It's Rad Reviews.